So this shampoo and conditioner set from Keranique made my hair so bouncy and added so much volume I didn't even know I could have. So I want to thank the brand for sending me these to review for you because I genuinely didn't expect such a difference from someone who has tried just about every shampoo and conditioner type. Now, first off, the formula is super lightweight, and I mean super lightweight. The first time I used it, I honestly questioned if I had applied enough because it just felt like nothing, but don't be fooled. A little really does go a long way with this shampoo and conditioner. It really lathers up beautifully and rinses clean, leaving no heavy residue. And because it's that lightweight, it doesn't weigh my hair down, which is why I think I'm seeing the extra bounce and flow, and my hair feels just incredibly soft after using it. It also smells nice, but not such a heavy scent. But the thing I love most about this rejuvenating duo is the shine. I have struggled so much with frizzy, dull hair, and I was blown away when I saw my hair actually looking shiny. Just look at the difference. I can't remember the last time my hair looked this healthy and glossy. So if you're also dealing with flat, frizzy hair and you want something that gives you softness, shine, and body without really weighing it down, I absolutely recommend giving this a try. I'm definitely adding it to my regular routine.